Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and we are at the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip today. We're going to visit the Palazzo, the sister hotel and casino to the Venetian. The very first time I came to Las Vegas to start vlogging, which seems like many trips ago, I stayed here at the Palazzo. It was my first stay here on the Las Vegas Strip. Needless to say, I was spoiled right off the bat. The Palazzo, just like the Venetian, is a all-suite hotel, and the rooms are beautifully appointed and have wonderful sitting areas that look out the windows. And I have to honestly say that this is one of the best hotel rooms / suites I've stayed at in Las Vegas since I started vlogging here. Not particularly the best view. That probably belongs to the Cosmopolitan with the Bellagio fountains right outside, but this was definitely the best room. There is a room tour of the Palazzo here on the New York channel. I'll put a link in the description below. And I need to also say that the rooms at the Venetian are just about identical to these rooms. Okay, here we go. One of many restaurants here at the Palazzo is Lavo Italian Restaurant. It's an Italian restaurant and lounge known for its ultra-chic atmosphere, savory 1-pound meatball, that's right, I said a 1-pound meatball, and famed party brunch daytime experience featuring an outdoor terrace with unmatched views of the Las Vegas Strip. This is the lobby of the Palazzo, and that beautiful sculpture in the center of it is called Acqua di Cristallo, and please forgive my pronunciation of that. It's a unique water sculpture that has wowed visitors since its unveiling in 2008. This wonder of art and construction actually occupies 2 levels with the base on the ground level of the Palazzo. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And that's the front desk where I did my very first $20 sandwich or big tip to see how it works in Las Vegas. This was years ago, and it actually did work. It got me a much higher floor at the hotel, as well as a strip view, whereas I originally had a mountain view. $20 may sound like a lot of money, but when you consider you're here for a week, which I was, that's less than $3 or $4 a day for those upgrades, and it's really worth it. Will it work every time? I can't really guarantee that, but I can guarantee you that a smile, some New York charm, and a bunch of Andrew Jacksons in your wallet will make your trip much more exciting and pleasurable. This is the Electra Cocktail Club, which takes Las Vegas bars to another level. Located in the heart of the Palazzo Casino, if you're eager to put your finger on the pulse of the newest Vegas nightlife, look no further than Electra. This is Majordomo Meat and Fish. Celebrity chefs bring a unique culinary approach, and David Chang's restaurants excel at it. Located in the Palazzo Tower, Majordomo Meat and Fish takes a traditional steak and seafood menu to new heights. David Chang offers smoked meats, seafood, a raw bar, and drinks to complement all of the above. This is Mott 32, an Asian restaurant. It explores immersive dining experiences that highlight the indulgent beauty of unlikely pairings. In other words, it embraces flavors and ingredients from around China and the world and delivers it as home cooking should be, in a more rustic, honest way. And this is the Grand Lux Cafe. It's open 24 hours and it has an extensive menu from snacks to breakfast to dinner. There's something for everyone, much like its sister restaurant, the Cheesecake Factory. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. There's a few shops here at the Palazzo right off the casino and lobby floor, including Emporia here, but the Grand Canal shops, which connect the Palazzo to the Venetian, is a huge mall, so there's plenty of shopping here. We'll catch a couple of those shops on the way over there. This is Rosina, another cocktail lounge off the casino floor. This hallway takes you to the elevator banks that go up to the suites, and there's a Starbucks right at the foot of those elevators, which is a lot more convenient than other hotels and casinos that make you walk through the entire complex. As nice as the Palazzo suites are, no coffee maker, unfortunately. This is Hong Kong Cafe, celebrate at a friendly and inviting Chinese restaurant. Located right in the heart of the Palazzo Casino, Hong Kong Cafe serves lunch, dinner, and late-night dishes. Some of the signature dishes include crispy Peking duck, honey glazed barbecue pork, Szechuan-style chicken with dried chili and peanuts, baked Chilean sea bass, pan-seared scallops with Szechuan pepper sauce, and pepper-crusted beef tenderloin with golden garlic flakes. This is Grimaldi's Pizzeria, a personal Jeff from New York favorite. It serves award-winning hand-tossed, coal-fired brick oven pizzas, calzones, house-made salads, and desserts. With Frank Sinatra crooning in the background, Grimaldi's offers over 100 years of pizza-making traditions and a tantalizing aroma of pizza and calzones baked to perfection in the signature coal-burning oven. Grimaldi's, by the way, is an institution and has garnered more awards than any other pizzeria in the country. Wait a minute, let's go back. There's one of the famous Palazzo Venetian gondoliers. He must be arranging his Uber ride back home. After all, a gondola can only get you so far here in Las Vegas. By the way, we've taken an escalator to the second floor above the casino here at the Palazzo, where they have lots of restaurants and lounges, including Sushi Samba, offering up some super fresh sushi, sashimi, and ceviche. And now we're in an area where the shops are, the high-end shops here at the Palazzo. They're considered part of the Grand Canal shops, but I really don't consider them part of that mall. There's a definite distinction between these shops and those, and there's also a physical separation which we'll come upon shortly. Hey! I can't believe this joint doesn't have one of those everything is $1 stores. So those were the shops at the Palazzo, very high end, and like I said, they're considered by the Venetian and Palazzo as part of the Grand Canal shops. I really don't consider them part of the Grand Canal shops. This area that we're in now ends at the Palazzo, and as far as I'm concerned, begins the Grand Canal shops. And as you can also see here is where the Venice theming starts coming in with the gondola here. In the Grand Canal shops, you also have the gondoliers, the singing gondoliers in the gondolas that go not only in the Grand Canal shops, but also outside along the Las Vegas Strip. By the way, this love sign here at the entrance to the Grand Canal shops is one of the more popular photo opportunities here on the Las Vegas Strip. The Grand Canal Shops is a huge multi-level mall with lots of shops and restaurants and tons of photo opportunities. A Grand Canal Shop video will be coming up shortly here on the New York channel. This sign for the Venetian is somewhat deceiving. You have a long walk before you get to the Venetian, which is connected to the Palazzo through the Grand Canal shops. This mall has everything from high-end restaurants to celebrity chef restaurants to a food court featuring Johnny Rockets. Tons of places to eat and shop here. So if you want to check this place out, stay tuned to the New York channel.
You're a douchebag, old man.
Well, thank you very much. You're too kind. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.